Happy New
Bye-bye.
Year. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you soon. See you next year.
See you
Tomorrow is another year.
I-scrape pa niya yan. It's snowing. Yung kapitbahay namin ang bait nung Pasko, binigyan kami ng regalo. Kumatok.
Oh,
Binigyan kaming regalo. Close na namin yan. Ay, nagdala siya na. Dila niya. Kasi baka kunin ng Love, how about the other one? There's one trash there. Okay. Hi. Bye. Bye. Ayan na, umalis na siya. Wow, it's so cold. Yeah. Let's take a picture of that first. There you go. Wow, that's so beautiful. Ooh. Hi. Looks like a bit sunny, right? I'm squinting. It's so cold. Okay.
Yeah, let's go inside.
What? No, not yet, Lovey. Happy New Year, guys. We're
New
going
Year.
out. Love, can you help me open that? We're going out. Let's go, Lovey.
We have to lock it.
Oh, Love. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Wait, just go this way.
Love, there's a...
Don't go out that way. You gotta walk across the snow.
Huh?
Don't leave this way.
No, we will take a picture first. Lovey, look at that. There's a footprints.
It's called a kitty cat.
There's a footprints of the cat. Oh, go. I might slide.
Yeah, let's not do it.
Lovey, I want. I might put here my...
That's good.
I will put here my phone. That's why I'll do this first. Oops, look at that. We can make halo with this. Okay. Careful. Wow. Love, I'll take a picture of you there. Okay. Is it sunny? You're squinting.
It's the glare off the snow that makes it bright.
I can't open my eyes. Okay. Lovey, you want to make a snow?
No.
No. Walk around, okay? Like a beautiful girl. The Christmas tree, Love, has snow. There's snow there.
Oh. Yeah.
One more time. Love, I want to touch it.
It's cold.
Yeah, I don't have that.
Okay, let's go.
It's beautiful here, love. That's our Christmas tree here in our... What's that? In our town. And then that's the house of our neighbor. Very good neighbor. And that's the playground, guys. Look at that. And this is the tree. Look at that. And that's my husband. I love smile. Yes. Okay, guys. It's so cold, but it's so beautiful here. Yeah. Okay. I think we need to go on that
Yeah.
side.
Well, if you go there, I'll let you in.
Okay. Happy New Year, guys! So cold outside. Dito ka dumaan sa front. Look at that car. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's our yard. Whoa.
I think it's ice in there.
Okay. Look at the houses, guys. But I think someone plowed?
A little bit, not much.
How did plowed, lab?
Loud.
Plowed. Yeah.
It's a little better. Not great.
Look at that, the downs. That's so snowy. Everywhere has snow. I think this is the fourth. Is this the fourth, love?
Fourth?
The fourth or fifth? This
What?
this winter time, it snowed.
Oh, I lost track now. Right fourth.
Yeah, fourth.
Sometimes it snows a little bit, not much. This is a bigger one. It's a couple inches. It's kind of a lot.
And the temperature right now outside is 12.
25.
Yeah, 25 Fahrenheit. That's Fahrenheit. I'm checking if some of the water lab
Uh-huh.
has snow too. I'm not sure if it's
the water down
frozen.
there.
Yeah. Let me see.
If you can see it.
Yeah.
It's still running. Not frozen yet.
Not frozen, but it looks like it's not running. How about the train, love? Look at that. The train.
Train?
The railroad.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's still okay.
I mean, they'll just run over it.
Yeah, but the sun is up now. Look at that. Yesterday, it's very...
Yeah.
How to say it? It was so dark
Yeah.
yesterday. Like, because it snowed in the morning and... I think midnight, before midnight. Around 9 o'clock, love, when you come home, it's
10.
it was snowing.
Came back up 10.
Yeah, it was snowing.
Yeah. It already snowed a little bit. My brother Anthony got his car back. Up there. There's no one on the roads today. There comes somebody.
Sorry, I'm taking video.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, I don't want to show their faces. They might get angry to me. Another one. But you're driving so slow.
Yeah, you need to in this. But you can't tell if it's snow, if it's
Oh.
salt or snow. Really, probably just snow. But it's so cold, it hasn't really melted yet.
Looks like people are still sleeping
Yeah.
because it's
They're like, I'm not driving this.
yeah. So just slow down, Lovey. So beautiful. Ooh. Happy New Year again, guys.
New Year.
Yeah. So this is the first day of the year 2026 and we're just driving
Yep.
slowly because of snow. Where are we going, Lovey?
To Apple Annie's to get some food.
Yeah.
And Aldi's.
Because
Because we have a gift card.
yeah, we have a gift card. I'm going to show them how it looks like. A customer in the bank
Yeah.
who gave him. He received two.
Snow
One
melting.
for Dairy Queen and then this one, the Apple Annie's. So we're going to use this to get food or to eat there. That would be my first time. Oh, someone is blowing.
That's not a Jeep with a plow.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
I thought he's the
Because you
plowman.
gotta attach a plow to anything,
A
really.
plowman.
Yeah, kind of.
But that looks like it's for his personal use.
Maybe.
It's actually so beautiful to see. But, love, it's beautiful to see that white,
Yeah.
that snow on the trees,
Yeah.
on the yard. But maybe not every day
No.
because it
Not
will.
Not every day.
It's very cold. It was not a white Christmas or love, right?
No.
But we right
Almost.
now we have a white New Year.
This would have been Christmas a week ago.
But last Christmas Day, almost of the stores are closed.
Mm-hmm.
But this New Year, my husband said it's not. That's only for Christmas Day.
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day. So this is our place right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're living in Ground Town.
Almost out of Green.
We're living Ground Town now, Lovey.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is near Ribsville. Oh yeah, because of that. Be careful with this
Bridge to bridge.
bridge. Yeah, there's a bridge here, guys. Look at that. Going to Ribsville. Let's see the houses in Ribsville. I'm going to show you guys the houses in Ribsville. Hala. That's their houses there. What can you say about Ribsville?
It's next to the river.
That's why it's Ribsville?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what the river looks like right now. Oh, you can see there's some part of the river. That's so,
Not really that.
Cold.
This one over here.
yeah. I think that's connected, right?
Yeah,
No?
Kinda. Yeah.
But here, yeah, you can see there the river. Yeah, it's still running, you know. There's running water. I can, yeah. So this is the Ribsville houses and that's the river. And there's a Port Pau Pau. Pau Pau.
Pawpaw.
Papo.
Pawpaw.
Popo.
There's a pawpaw fruit. That's where they come from.
Okay.
It's like a mango.
They have that here
Yeah.
in
Really, Dustin gave us some from Parkersburg.
Dustin.
Yeah.
Labi or kinda
Okay. It's better here.
kinda fast.
It's okay. It's 60 right here.
But we're in snow, Labi. So be careful, Labi. We're not rushing. I'm not yet hungry.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. All the cars are covered with snow.
Yeah. It'll melt eventually.
Yeah, actually it melted already some because since this morning it became warmer already, love.
Yeah.
So because earlier when I woke up, the snow is I can see snow on the many snow on our door, but yeah,
Yeah.
right now no more snow on the door, at the door side. So it's melting. It's melting.
Oh.
Look at
Forgot
Labi.
It was hidden. It was hidden. Yeah. I was supposed to fix that.
Labi, that's same last Sunday.
No, I just keep forgetting that it's there.
Okay, guys, I think we need to go to the hospital now. My husband is giving me a heart attack right now
It's okay.
for the first day of the year.
It's just a pothole. That's all it is. Pothole.
Oops, what's that? Look at the houses, guys.
Yeah.
That's actually a church. Look at that. What if this will be the whole month?
Could be.
Really?
January. It's pretty cold.
Or January?
That's what happened last year. Whole month. January 2025.
Mm-hmm.
The whole month we had snow. Just kept coming.
Like, it didn't melt.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the temperature.
Yeah,
lab.
it was so cold too. It never melted.
Mm.
It was below 30 the whole time.
Because even if it's not snowing already, I
Yeah.
noticed that the snows here,
Mm-hmm.
the snows, is that correct, Labi? The snow,
Snow. Just the snow.
yeah, the snow stayed because of the cold
Yeah.
temperature.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, someone is still walking. I'm going to show you. Oh, I'm not sure if you see that there in the...
Mm-hmm.
Someone is walking around.
I'm sure he doesn't want to be walking.
Maybe he wants to buy something in Price Cutter. How about us?
We live in Granttown.
Yeah, we're not
We're not
part of Fairmont.
Not kind of, not really. It's Marion County. The same county as Fairmont. But it's different.
Okay. So we are here now in downtown area. Oh, you can see that. Downtown City Center. There we're entering in. If you remember, guys, this is the place where we got our license, marriage license. And look at that. It's so snowy also here. Are we going to see the City Hall? Oh, yeah. That's the City Hall. Okay. Yeah, it's the City Hall, guys. Remember we walked down there, and then you can see the marriage magistrate, something like that,
Yeah.
office. And they have a bubbly girl lady who will talk to you there, guys. Look at that. Someone is plowing.
Shoveling.
Oh yeah, shoveling. Someone is shoveling his. I'm not sure if that his place, but yeah,
Business. maybe.
yeah, business. What do you call this business center, love? Or yeah,
Just downtown Fairmont.
okay. They have Papa John's. If you see that, guys. And I think that's it. Just I mean I don't know the other, but yeah.
There's Walgreens
Oh, where is it?
right here.
Oh yeah, okay. This is where we got our
Picture.
couple picture. Yeah, our wedding picture. The big one, the portrait.
Yeah.
There on that Walgreens.
Mhm.
And they have Go-Mart, guys.
Yeah.
Just want you to know, Easy Care for your urgent care.
Mhm.
And I think they have, what's that, lab?
Exxon.
Exxon
Gas station.
gas station. Are we near already? Price Mart, another Price Mart.
Coming up.
Yeah.
Price coder.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I know this place. I'm very local, you know. Oh, and yeah, Burger King, guys. I think in your price cutter they have the Little Caesar, right, Lovey?
Little Caesars.
Little Caesars. Did I pronounce it correctly?
Little
Oh, that's so cute. What kind of house is that?
No, that's a wedding.
Oh
place.
yeah. By the way, guys. Oh yeah, I'm going to just show you this first. That's McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts, Kids University. There, Dunkin' Donuts here, and you know, Tuscan, Sans, Span Salon. The how you pronounce that, love? Sheets.
Sheets.
Yeah, I'm scared I will pronounce it
It
wrong.
sounded kind of bad when you said it.
Really? It sounded bad. I'm so sorry. I said I'm not going to pronounce it. Yeah.
There's Price Cutter.
Benny's, Monroe Muffler Break, and then that's the Price Cutter. Yeah. And little
Cesara.
scissors. And Price Cutter, guys. We love that. Another Papa John's. If you love Papa
Oh
John's.
yeah, I didn't realize it was there.
This is, oh wow, you will see that. That's beautiful. Slow down, Lovey. No, don't want to fly. It looks like so slippery right now. Pizza Hut, guys. If you love Pizza Hut. Country Roads, physical therapy. And of course, they have Mayor's Insurance Agency. Okay.
You don't have to name every business.
Huh?
You don't have to name every business.
I'm how to say that?
Yeah. Being descriptive.
Yes, look at their houses. That's beautiful. There's a senior center, senior citizen center, I think.
Maybe.
Okay. Houses are covered with snow. Oh, I think I'm going to see here the Marias.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember this place. Yeah. You will see here you will see here, guys, where my husband brought me on my birthday last December, of course. I think we're close to it. Lobby,
What?
why are we making that sound?
Here it is.
Yeah, that's it. The food is good.
Very good. Probably the best in Fairmont.
Yeah, but it's expensive, guys.
Not
But
too bad. It's a little expensive.
for me, it's expensive. But yeah, they have very good food. Like, wow. By the way, actually, they are the one who's sponsored, not sponsored,
Catered.
catered our food on our wedding. And yeah, our
Delicious.
visitors love it.
Yeah.
Like, wow, they love it so much. And why there's another river here, love? Is that connected with the Ribsville?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. I forgot the name of it.
I'm going to show you guys. New year, new vlog. That's a view. Is it snowing?
No.
Or that's salt? There's another river. Do they have yacht club?
No.
Why?
No yachts.
Oh, just a boat, simple boat.
Yeah, just a boat.
Can we have yacht?
Not here.
Wow.
Maybe on the ocean.
So what are they going to do with boat?
Just drive around.
Is there a crocodile?
No.
Oh yeah, guys, they said they don't have crocodiles here. How come?
It's from West Virginia.
Yeah, they don't have. It's
Too cold.
oh, that's the plowing man.
Yeah.
I don't know how to pronounce it. It's plowing. Plow.
Plow.
Okay. I need to remember that, guys. I might say plow.
It's Mr. Plow.
But the spelling, love, is plow. F-L-O. But
Yeah.
the pronunciation
Well,
is plow.
Just think P-L-O-W.
Yeah,
Wow.
plow. But
Think of the country Palau. I'm gonna get gas here too.
Look at that. That's so white. Oh, we're now in Whitehall. I saw the sign. They have El Rey. We tried that already. El Rey, Panera Bread, and Michael's, Hardee's, Dollar Tree, Subway, Apple Annie's. Here we go.
I'll get gas first.
Look at that. You will see the Apple Annie's welcoming us. Apple Annie's, here we come.
Here. Yours looks good.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, thank you. It's so cold here
Should I have my
outside.
jacket?
Yeah. Oh yeah. The food was good.
The good was food.
And we're going now to Dollar Store first. Dollar Tree? It's so cold. It's just 150, lab.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cutie.
They went up. They used to be $1.25.
Oh yeah. Why they become what dollar?
Maybe just this part.
Look at that. It's just so good. Are we going to celebrate that?
We do that every day.
Ooh, we do that every day. Ooh, I like that.
Here.
Oh no. Sweeter than sugar. Yeah, you're one of a kind. Oh, whop you.
But that does say Valentine's Day.
I whop you.
I don't know if it says Valentine's
Oh, yeah. I
Yeah.
whop you.
Yeah, they all say Valentine's Day out, I guess. Or something.
Yeah.
If you want. Elmer chocolate.
I like you very much. Love you. Lovey, I like you very much.
Very much.
Is the chocolate inside is good? You think?
It's okay.
There's still have more here.
This is
Crap.
Easter, and then this is St. Patrick's Day.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Why St. Patrick?
Well,
What's the...
the green is St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick. It's getting colder. Guys.
The wind.
Maybe because of the wind, yeah. Because of the wind. Aldi's is closed today, so we're going to Price Color.
Other prices.
We're from that area. You can see the Apple Annie's there, and the Michaels and all
Probably
these.
a bank right there or something.
Chipotle. And we're going back to Fairmont. This is still Fairmont, right, love? Whitehall, Fairmont.
Yeah.
Easy, lovey, easy.
Yeah, I'm trying to get behind you. I can fly higher than an eagle.
Then the eagle. Oops. Like you can slide there, and then you will go to the water.
Yeah.
Once you slide.
Anybody?
I will go to the water directly, and it's so cold. No one's swimming.
No, no swimming today. They don't really swim in it.
Yeah, why? Looks like it's
dirty.
why is it dirty? Yeah, looks like stagnant water. It's not a running
That's not
water.
stagnant, but it's just. I guess you could swim in it if you wanted to.
Really?
But people don't do that.
Why?
It's for boats.
Yeah, especially you said you don't have crocodiles, so it will be good to swim there.
Yeah.
This is 99 or 249? 99?
You say 50.
No, you save 150.
Oh.
So 99?
Yeah.
We can get to.
Yeah.
Okay, good. No, he's just strong. You can see, guys,
I don't think so.
someone wearing shorts on winter. Yeah. Winter time. But looks like he's very... It feels very cold. Yeah, that's our mini Christmas tree here. And our antiques. Antique. We're in Antique. So this is the front of their city hall here. That's beautiful, isn't it? And they have small. This is actually beautiful at night, but you cannot see the snow much at night. So okay, we're going back now to our house.
Back to Grandtown.
It's getting
It's
cold.
beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
again. It's Christmas again. It's Christmas again.
It's only 350 days to Christmas.
Yeah. Imagine that.
Did you get my gift yet?
355, love.
Yeah.
355 days. What if I do a daily vlog, love? Like I'm going to upload it
Sure.
now today.
Go ahead.
But I have so many vlogs still need to edit, guys. From last year, from 2 years ago, from 3 years ago. But it's okay.
Restoring all this stuff.
Yan my SD card. Yeah. I have a lot of SD card from Hong Kong and then from the Philippines.
I know what to get you for Christmas.
So, what if I do daily vlog?
I encourage it.
Yeah? But my life here is not very...
I think it's exciting.
Maybe just a weekly vlog, right?
People can live vicariously through you.
Because every day, it's not that too exciting.
But if you're in the Philippines, it's exciting.
Not really, because I work from home too. So...
We'll just film the exciting parts.
Okay. So it's just a 10 minutes video every day, something like that.
Don't video yourself cooking eggs.
No, we can, because that's what we eat that day. Something like that.
We're taking a nap.
Yeah, you should. Yeah. I'll take a nap today, something like that.
Getting the mail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just the exciting parts.
Just the exciting part. I bet that would be very boring for them. Like, oh, that happened yesterday. That again?
Also, you need to laugh.
Like, she just changed clothes, but she did the same routine yesterday.
Yeah.
You can see the very, very white. Slow down, Lavi.
Yeah.
I'm scared with my driver.
Whoa.
What's that? What?
That's pretending.
Oh, look at that. It's very white.
Memory Lane.
Memory lane. Oh, that's so very white at the side. I think my mama will love it if I'm going to have a daily vlog.
Yeah, she'd love it. #1 fan.
So that's the river with snow on the side.
Yeah.
But I remember you mentioned, love, that there's some fish there.
Yeah.
Fishes.
No fish.
So we're back to Ribsville. So we're here now.
Under the sea. Under the sea.
Under the sea. Oh.
Under the sea.
Oh, that car has plowing machine. And they are looking at my camera. That girl is vlogging us. Okay. Let's say goodbye to the river. We're going up now to the ground town.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to put your PIN number on the internet.
Yeah.
Or your passwords. So you need something that's private.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Oh, I can't imagine driving in the mountain with snow.
Some people have to drive really steep.
How about we go back to Wyoming like this, look?
Oh, no.
Looks like I'm going to die.
That's not even like where we drove. It
Yeah.
actually they actually closed that road.
Yeah, I hope
Yeah,
they
like,
should do that.
You can't even drive it. Like in this time of year.
Yeah. They don't know that yet because I didn't upload that yet. That
Sometime in 2028, they might see it.
Look at their yard, guys. It's very, very, very wide. Looks like there's still have houses on imagine guys that the trees, they actually will not die.
Right.
On springtime, they will have leaves again and they will become green.
Yeah.
But how about this kind of trees, Labo? They are so strong
Yeah.
on winter.
The hardy trees.
Hardy.
Yeah.
Oh, so they are still alive.
Yeah.
They
They just
still
go
have
dormant.
they still have leaves.
Yeah.
And the Christmas tree also, the one I called Christmas tree, love, what you call that? Is that fine?
Evergreen.
Evergreen trees?
Well, maybe a spruce. I don't know. What kind of tree that is.
That looks like forever green.
Yeah.
Forever green.
Mhm.
Like the whole year they are green.
Yeah.
Even if it's snowing
They
already.
have needles for leaves.
Ah,
So the
okay.
needles don't really fall off much.
So like a Christmas tree, really.
Yeah. Pine trees.
Mm-hmm. Take a picture of it. You see?
Yeah.
We're home! Look at that! Our car is so dirty. And look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Lamig. May snow pa rin. May nakita ko kanina naglalakad dyan no, sa gilid namin. Yung footstep niya. Papunta doon. Ah, ayun, tsaka yun oh. So baka may bibili na ng part na to. Kasi dati, na dumating ako dyan, may bahay dyan na sira na. Pero, sabi ni Wade, after 10 years, saka palang tinanggal or giniba. Like, 1 week pagbalik ko ng honeymoon namin, saka palang giniba. Kaya maganda siya dyan tingnan. Pero, pag nagkabahay na dyan, syempre, ewan. Pero, malaki pa rin yung space. So, yan nilakaran niya. Yan lang yung hanggang dyan lang yung sa amin. So, baka may bibili na. I will tell that to Wade later. Ang gulo. Gagamitin ko kasi yan sa pag mag-spring na. So, maybe around March or April. Gagamitin ko yan for the... May mini garden. Gawa na lang ako ng garden dito. Hindi sa baba. Depende. Okay. 2:19 na ako. Pero bukas ko na i-check to. Matthew 19, chapter 19. 5:45 na dito. Ready ko lang tong dinner ni Wade. Hindi pa ako nagugutom eh. Naantok ako. Pero kagigising ko lang. Hindi ko alam. These past few days, lagi akong pagod. Feeling pagod kahit wala mang ginagawa. I mean, may ginagawa naman ako. Nag-work pa rin ako. Pero, ewan. Pabigat yung katawan ko. Tsaka masakit yung neck dito, tabiliran ko. Sa my right side. Prepare ko lang tong dinner niya. So, actually, leftover lang to. Nag-bake ako ng, ano pa lang tawag dito. Sabi nga ni Wade, saan ko daw nakuha yung idea nito eh. Pero, ano lang siya, ginisa ko lang yung ground beef, onion, and carrots. And then, binake ko. So, sabi ko, parang casserole siya. Ang idea, yun, parang casserole, pero, kasi bake eh. Pero, kapag, pwede rin siyang steam actually. Na-imagine ko yung steam egg ng mga Chinese. Yeah. Anyway. Bigyan ko na lang siya ng cheese. Sabi ni Wade, masarap naman daw. Flavorful. Actually, yung food niya is leftover namin last year. Okay lang yan. Ano pa lang naman. January 2 pa lang. Super lamig buong gabi. Magdamag. I think nasa 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Kaya naka-open yan. Ilalim. Para makasingaw. And then ito. Pati sa CR. Yan. Inanon. Nakaganyan. Medyo tuyo na yung buhok ko. So, Saturday ngayon, supposed to be, dapat lalabas kami. Super lamig. Nagstay kami sa bahay. And kanina nga, nagprepare ako ng mga iluluto ko. So, now, mag-film ako ng first episode ng Mr. Kitchen. And then, if may time, mag-e-edit ako tonight ng mga vlogs. Kasi, sana magawa ko. Masundan ko yung ginawa kong schedule for this year. So, sana mapanood nyo yun. Ako, nasa baba yung asawa ko. Nasa basement. I-check niya daw yung basement kung okay. Look at that. Is it very cold? Let's see kung anong tsura. Can I show them the outside, love?
Okay.
Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's so cold, lovey. It's still very cold.
Very cool.
Yeah. What's the temperature today, love?
Probably 30 or 25.
Love, I'm going to film my first episode for our
With your-
Mrs. Sure Kitchen.
Your beautiful Williams Sonoma outfit.
Yeah, so this is sponsored by our very kind neighbor.
The great people at Williams Sonoma.
No, it's from Gary and Linda.
Oh, of course, from the neighbors.
Yeah, this is one of their gifts. On our wedding day, love.
They're so great.
Okay. Okay, you can do your thing first, love, while I'm doing filming. I'm filming, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll prepare our dinner.
Holler for me.
Yeah. Actually, we just have 2 meals for today. So, we ate our breakfast around 10. Our next meal would be around 5, love, or 5:30?
5:30.
Okay. So, I need to start now. Yeah. So, that's my food. And my husband's food. Is that okay already, lovey?
Beautiful.
Okay. We'll just eat.